I was thinking about to get myself a wireless microphone for quite a while now, but in the meantime I don't want to spend a lot of money for it because I know some of the brands that can really cost you up to $2,000, and depends on the model it can at least $500 to $800 for it. But what if I only have $100 budget just for a wireless microphone for properly functional and good sound quality? But fortunately there is an option. So I found this on Amazon. The brand is called Boya BY-WM5 and the model name is the BY-WM5. This is not the first time I'm using this. If you watched my previous video, especially my Vancouver Auto Show videos, then you will find out I am using a wireless microphone for that, for all of my audio recording. And yes, I did use this one. I think this is actually a pretty good deal. I think I got it around $130 when it was on promotional. Convert to US dollar, it should be around $100. This is what you're gonna get if you buy in store or if you buy from Amazon. This is the original box, come with it. The color, I like the color. Let's just open it. When you open the box, you will see this, looks like this. So they have a user menu. Then after the user menu, you will see there's a 2 unit here, which is a receiver and transmitter. On the box, it actually stated pretty good for this one. Look at this, okay? Look at this. It said experience more freedom of movement while recording. Excellent sound quality, great portability, easy setup, two-way communication system, approximately 50 meters, about like 164 feet operation range. But does it really sound like that? We'll find out later, very soon. After you take out the receiver and transmitter out, you will see a bunch of cables and earphones in there, and also this little thing, keep everything dry. So this is a 3.5mm jack connecting the receiver to the camera for audio output. You can use this to other applications as well if you want. You can use it on your own MP3 as well. And also come with a lavalier microphone. And this is the earpiece, earphone, whatever you call. And this one comes with a microphone here for you to communicate between the receiver and transmitter. And this one is another earpiece. This is for the transmitter. If you plug this in your transmitter, you're gonna hear your own voice while you're talking. This is how the transmitter and receiver looks like. Very simple, not a huge big deal, not super thick. It's pretty light. The full body frame is made of plastic and it has this matte black finish, and I really like it. It feels pretty smooth as well and doesn't track any fingerprints. You know what I mean? You can press hard and there's no fingerprints you can tell on the body at all. So I very like this. You can see the logo here and the model, and it shows transmitter. On the side you're gonna see off and on switch button, and on the very right here this is a high peak. Basically I'm just leaving it on. And here on the front, the microphone jack, the headphone, and the volume up and down. Those are pretty simple thing. And this is a clip. Okay, here the receiver, same thing as the transmitter. The both on the front is pretty much the same, exactly same design. It's just this 2 port here, and on the left this is both using for microphone and headphone, and this is for the lean out, which is the audio output. Okay, on the bottom you got the coat shoe mount for mounting this on your camera. And also you can screw this to tripod, a small tripod, mini tripod you want. And on the side, on and off switch, high peak setting. They both are using the triple battery, which the battery does not come in the box. So you have to use your own or purchase separated. Let's just put this thing on and to see how it sounds like. Okay guys, now I've already put the receiver on top of my camera here. So this is the receiver looks like on your camera. I did not put the microphone and the headphone, the earpiece on because I don't need it right now. So plug my microphone here. Do the transfer. Okay, that's it. Now all you need to do is just to maybe clip it on your clothes or right here. But right now I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to demonstrate you the sound, so I don't really need to put it in my clothes. Alright, so let's turn it down. If there's 2 units, is slowly blinking the green light, which means they are connected. Okay, if the green light is like continuous blinking like very fast, then which means it's not connected. Okay, let's do this. This is about 3 meters, 4 meters, 5 meters, total like I think 8 meters, something like that. Less than 10 meters for sure, I think. Ah, la, la. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And sound testing, 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. It's pretty good, nice weather though. Well, I'm going to walk towards the front of my house. This is the transmitter here. I have no doubt this thing will work at least 50 meters if just nothing blocks between you and this. I mean, between the receiver and transmitter. Well, it's pretty easy and quick until I realized that I have lost my signal for the whole time when I was in front of my house. Right, so I have to show you guys the LED light is blinking pretty fast. That means the transmitter and receiver is not connected. Even though there are some partially, some of time or some apart that is connected, so it does recorded audio. But listen to this. Every it's just never useful in any of the videos. Yeah, so I guess I have to be careful of this. Well, I'm not going to be using a lot of situations like this anyway, so I try to keep the receiver and transmitter, nothing's blocking between. Alright, move on. Alright guys, so what do you think? For the rest of the video, I'm going to just be using the wireless microphone for all of my audios. I hope it can work okay. So this is what you normally do when you're using a wireless microphone. Basically, you can clip up on your shirts here, and this transmitter you're gonna put it under, on your, maybe here, like clip on here or somewhere you want to. So I'm just gonna leave it here for now. You know, around $100, I think this is gonna be a perfect wireless microphone for me. I mean, I'm not really picking about sound qualities because, you know, it's YouTube videos. Eventually in the future, if I want to, I can upgrade to a much better, higher quality unit. But for now, I think this is gonna be good enough for pretty much all my needs at this moment. As of the quality, I'm happy about quality though. I mean, the quality actually is better than what I thought, right? You know, with $100 price, you can get a wireless microphone pretty much ranged up to 50 meters if there's nothing blocks it. If there is, I would only say about like 10 meters or so. What are you gonna do more than 50 meters or more than 10 meters away? If you're going to use a wireless microphone, your cameraman is gonna be always following you pretty much about like maybe maximum of 5 meters distance, I would say. So that's not a big deal. I think this is gonna be a good option. I mean, well, I also thought about this. The benefit of having a wireless microphone is very obvious. So you see, right now I'm using a wireless microphone, so I can stand here to talk to you and still picking a clear sound. If I'm standing over here and you're still going to hear my sound clearly. Here too. Oh look, it's an airplane. But what if I switch my microphone back to the video micro? I'm using the video micro right now, so the wireless microphone is off. Despite the audio quality between these two microphones, this is what you're gonna get. Alright, so now I'm standing right here talking to you, talking to the camera, and it sounds like this. So if I'm standing at the same position that I use, I'm standing over here. So now, as I'm pushing in, then you're starting to hear my voice more clearly, and the level's more up. What do you say? Matte finish, I like it. Not slippery, not really attracting any fingerprints. Very fingerprints friendly actually. So you see, nothing, shows nothing. Why can't a smartphone do this? I mean, come on. So what do you guys think about this? Let me know, comment below. If you like this thing, I'll put everything in the description below. Also the Amazon link, either in Canada or in the United States. So if you like to purchase it, go ahead, do it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you guys next time. Cheers guys.